Today, we will be discussing about something we have all been through. What to say when someone says sorry. Very obvious, not gonna say big words, just simple and meaningful ways to respond. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive into this. First up, instead of saying it's okay, try being kind and grateful and say something like, "Thanks for saying sorry," or "I appreciate your apology." Well, if it's not a big deal, keep it light. You could say, "No worries," or "No biggie, we all goof up." We all goof up means that everyone makes mistakes or messes up from time to time. It's a way of acknowledging that making errors is a normal part of being human and there's no need to be overly concerned about it. And if a person is saying sorry for a simple goof, that means for a simple mistake, you can just let them know it's fine with no problem or all good, don't stress. Well, we all crave for understanding people by our side, isn't it? But first things first, we can be understanding too. So, show some understanding if the person is apologizing by saying, "I get it, no hard feelings," or "I understand, happens to the best of us." Well, happens to the best of us suggests that whatever happened is a common occurrence, even among the most capable or experienced individuals. Essentially, it emphasizes that making mistakes or facing difficulties is a universal part of life and it's not something to feel ashamed or overly concerned about that. And last but not the least, the cool one. "Thanks for saying sorry," or "I'm glad you apologized." It's like wrapping things up nicely. So there you have it, a handful of responses that go beyond the usual. It's okay. Remember, it's all about fostering understanding, empathy and growth in our interactions. If you found these ways helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful content and share your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. Until next video, this is Rashika signing off. Stay mindful and compassionate.